morning. First day of the con. Time to go. Stayed in a windowless hotel room before, but here we are, just inside. Shower, coat hangers, bed, no window, TV, and the light switch is just the key card, which goes off after it's taken out. Weird. Good morning. First day of the con. Time to go. Going next, but that's okay. We'll figure it out as we go. Already found cosplayers. Gonna get some food.
And the one, hopefully one of many. I'm a great
What was that?
I don't know, I'm getting excited. Welcome to day one of I-72, the 25th anniversary of Insomnia. Give me...
Oh, that was a bit.
Monster stand, and they're just giving away monsters. Got a free one. There's also a tank. I don't really have a plan for this right now. I'm just leaving the food hall and land air down there. There's all these people. Yeah, just gonna walk around the convention, show you guys some cool things that I find. Sorry, 1 second. There's this really cool piece of VR equipment here, where you can fly, and I broke it earlier. I fell forward and then the headset wasn't secured, and I may or may not have broken it, but it looks like it's fine now, so I'm considering that a win. Yeah, it's really loud. There's the meet and greet area. I've been there several times today. Mr. Pyro's booth, who only took blurry photos of me. And him, I guess he was also in it. But there. I'm not even like a huge fan, but I mean, I would like a decent picture. There's this tank. That's just hanging out here. There's this really cool cafe, and that's the official merch store, where I got this hoodie. This side here is more gaming, and that side there is more vendors. Over here is all the indie games, which I got to play quite a few of, and now that I'm hoping it's quieter, I'm going to try jumping out some more.
I think I've got a really strong team over here. Guys, come on, we're the strongest team.
What's more British than Yorkshire tea? Having a teacup prizes. That's so funny.
I want to go.
Been a long day. I'm just getting food. There's a bar, and then I got a burger, got a drink. I wasn't able to get as much footage today as I would have liked, and unfortunately I'm only here for 1 day, so I can't get any more. So I'm looking back through it all and I'm realizing that I'm missing quite a few pieces. So as I edit it tonight, I'll fill in the gaps. So I did the best I could. It was really crowded. It was just trying to get from point A to point B. And I mean, I met them. I got Slogo and Jelly's signature, and then I also got it down the arms. One on this arm too. So we did it. We also got to see Pyro Cynical. I got his thing here, and I got to sign his bucket. So yeah, it was a pretty good day. I'm just gonna wrap up here and then go home. But yeah, that's really it. I wish I could have done more vlogging, but unfortunately I was just really busy and too loud, and you can't hear anything that I was saying. So mostly just the foot down and walking around. Now that it's quieted down a little bit, I think I'm gonna take you guys on a lap and show you some of my favorite things that I found. And yeah, see you next time. So I kind of dipped off that last clip. I'm sorry for the abrupt transition, but I was talking to the devs of this game here, and I may have gotten a key. And then there's just next door with a Red Bull bar, which I'm gonna go see what's going on here because I want in. So that was the Red Bull mixer, and I was not supposed to be there. Yeah. So I left, and now I'm behind all the booths, skedaddling away, because this closes in 7-8 minutes, and I don't want to be in trouble. There's the exit. Let's see if we can leave. Alright. Well, that concludes the first day. That's where we started from today. We somehow left through there. Yeah. And now we're gonna see if we can get a train home.
Birmingham Airport. Thank you for travelling with London North Western Railway.
Hey, so we made it back. Okay, I got to meet some really cool people, a lot of really cool creators. I got to try a lot of new cool games and some new equipment I've never used before. Break a VR set, which is they didn't get mad at me for that, which is fine. I did take a couple pictures that I wasn't able to like fit into the edit here, so I'm just going to throw them up here and here. And if you'd like to see more adventures, please subscribe.